based out of New Zealand, and so it allows us to look at apples in color formats, different reds, greens on grainies, yellows on goldens, as well as the bicolored apples to help us distinguish the color. This is one shot. So I get there's a camera right here as the apple goes through, a camera on top and a camera on bottom. And as the apple goes through, it kind of spins slowly so that we can see basically a 360-degree canvas, if you will, so that we can start to look at the apple for any trouble marks, the indistinguishable color breaks. And then what we do as operators and programmers is we're teaching the system what to do with the apple. So right now, this particular apple probably received about 100 pictures. On average, we're going to get in between 80 and 110 pictures of every single apple. The amount of time that is happening between grading and taking pictures and then allocating the fruit is milliseconds. And so it's really, really, really important to watch what we're doing and make sure that we're teaching the program to do what we need it to do so that it doesn't overgrade your fruit, undergrade your fruit, put the wrong size into a specific package, put the wrong color into a package that may not be worth as much. And so we really have to pay attention to this. So we have 6 lanes that apples travel down, and there is 9 cameras on each lane. So there's 54 total cameras in our system that are taking 100 pictures of each single apple. And so when these 100 pictures are being taken and we're confirming or denying the programming that we were doing, whether it's for color or for blemishes, this computer is talking to this computer, and Marcos, our brilliant operator over here, is delivering the fruit based on how big it is, how much red there is, how much yellow there is, and how much defect there is. In here really is about time. If we let a mistake go on for more than 1 minute, it's going to cost us to go back and fix it because it's our fruit. We don't want to put mistakenly packaged fruit or erroneously printed boxes out into the marketplace. So as of last May, we were the first ones in North America to have one of the newly released software platforms for a defect system with our vendor Tomra out of New Zealand. And so it basically was an actual computer upgrade that allowed us to see more images, talk to the computers a little bit faster. As well, it allowed us to break apart different defects in the apples to be a little bit more accurate. For example, if your guys' fruit that's coming up, if the top 4 defects are going to be splits, stem splits, bruises, punctures, and sunburn, we could take those 4 defect classifications and make them run on basically a artificial intelligence algorithm-based software platform that allows us to identify those 4 major defects and get them out of the box about 98.9% accurate.
I think it
Yep, so this belt is for the small apples. Yep, and the one that's black is for the ones that have bruises or holes in them that we can't put in the box.
How does it take like through 1 minute?
1 minute.
Then a minute?
Yep, our goal, sometimes it's like a minute, 10 seconds. Like today, you guys are running really slow. I bet you it's like a minute, 12 seconds, minute, 15 seconds. But we try to go 58 seconds to a minute. So we always just use a minute is what we try to do.
So in summary, the ones that are really sunburned go towards apple juice.
And the ones that have bruises or coals go towards products like dog food.